Hello everybody, how are you? I am okay. My name is Junior Lopez. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here again with my SSG10-A2 Novritsch. So what is the new now? I already put it inside a new spring, which is 180 spring from this brand here. 180. This is the original, comes with the gun. So on this magazine I got here 43 grams BB, and on this one here 23 grams BB. I done before testing on the chromo with the 23 grams and with the 43 grams. So basically the 43 grams are giving to me 357 FPS and 2.7 joules on the 43 grams. On the 23, she was giving more. She was giving 396 and obviously 4.7 joules with the 43 grams BB. Right now I put it inside with no cut, so the spring inside, which is the M18, so is about an inch long. I haven't cut anything from the spring which is inside here. It was really tough to put inside the barrel, so I have to put against here my bench, and the screw the same time was really tough. But I said, well, I will try and see how she will perform. But I can tell you right now, on the field wouldn't work. Why? Because it's really tough to bring it in. Look, serious, really hard. And of course, look at that. Too much noise and a lot of pressure to clock the gun itself. So anyway, it's all here. I will cut a little bit to make more, let's say, easy to clock the gun. But right now I will do a test just to show you guys how she will performance without a single cut on the spring. I will switch on my chromo now. I will put first the 43 grams BB on it. Yeah, 43 grams. Slide in, yes. And I will push the zoom into the chromo now, okay? So the zoom in on the chromo, 43 gram, the same magazine. Let's see. Let me push. Oh my God, guys, this is really tough. Wouldn't work on the field. Yeah. So she brings up frames per second. What is that? 61. Oh my God. Look at that. Let's do this again. Okay, now she's talking. Oh my God. So 550 and 6.06 joules. Oh my days, that's a lot. 550. Let's do one more. 535, 5.73 joules. Okay, so let's swap here. I'm gonna take this one out, and now we will try the 23. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me go. Oh my God. Okay, 23. Let's go. Wow, 685 9.39. Jesus Christ, that's a lot. That's a way too much. One more. 655, 8.59 joules. Oh my God. Guys, you can tell I'm not lying. Pushing a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna open and cut. I think I will cut two rounds for now from the spring is inside, and then we'll see how much FPS she will give it to us. Okay, I come back in a minute. Guys, just before I put everything in place on the cylinder, I want to show you very quick what I done, and I think really nice work. Here is the spring after I cut. So this is what I took it off. Yeah, so here. Yeah, there. Okay, I use the drill to cut, and I use the same drill to give a nice end flash surface. So I cut first, and then after I trim here a little bit, but before that I heat it. I heat it with the torch, and then when she gets red, I just press little bit because she gets very flexible, and as long as you heat it and press and put on the cold water, she will exactly remain as a manufacturer. Why I done that? To be flash. Look how nice is flash here on the pistol. Look on the piston. Look how nice she's flash, and on the other side as well. Very nice flash surface. Because when you cut this end of it, she remains like little bit up. Yeah. So now look, any other side look exactly as a manufacturer. Yeah. So I will put everything in the cylinder and we try again. So everything in place. Switch on the chromo and let's test again. I would say still very tough to clock in, but little bit less. And then you said, oh, it makes different. Yeah, it does, because actually the spring, after time, she will compress little bit more, and slowly she will be little bit, let's say, less tough to clock in. But let's see the results. Okay, so bring the zoom in here on the chromo and let's test. Let's try now, guys. Everything in place. So we started with the 23 grams BB. It's already there, so you can see is the white on the magazine and silver, which is 43 on the other magazine down there. Yeah. So now 43 grams BB. Let's see what is the FPS. 605 and 7.31 joules. Before was doing on the 23 was doing 685 FPS and 9.39 joules. So one more shot. Wrong. Wait, it didn't recognize properly. 584 and 6.82. One more. Yeah, 3. So 584 and 6.82. 584 and 6.82. Of course, I'm over the limit, but on the sniper, I would never shoot on the 23 BBs. Otherwise, she will fly all over the place, yeah? Now, 43 grams, empty. Plug it in, push it in. Let's do 3 tests as well. 430, I don't think that's the right one. One more. No, I don't think so. Something going wrong. 405. 435 and 3.78 joules. 412 and 340. One more. 443 and 3.92 joules. Okay, so I'm happy with the result. So I'm not over the limit using the 43 grams. And for the FPS, I'm happy with the FPS because before was doing 550, which is too much for me, I guess. And I'm happy with this 443 FPS. Of course, remember, everything on this gun is still original. I could change the rings or add another things on the gun itself to make better performance. Okay, anyway, thank you very much. See you on the next video.